I'm extremely proud of the team involved in this innovation and in bringing this breakthrough product to market. It hasn't been easy, and it's taken years of science and diligence. I'm also personally proud of what this represents in the continuing legacy of Raychem, the company and now the brand. Raychem is recognized as the founding company of radiation chemistry. Paul Cook, a co-founder of Raychem back in 1957, began experimenting in polymer science. That's almost 75 years ago. And now, almost 50 years ago, he subsequently invented self-regulating electric heating. He went on, of course, to develop those technologies into the commercial and industrial applications we're familiar with today. We have come so far since then, and this product, Raychem HTV, represents a major advance again in this field of knowledge.
What we created is a groundbreaking new semiconductive polymer nanocomposite material with increased thermal stability. This is better than any material we have made before. The overall design is a solid construction that retains flexibility and ease of use to which our customers expect. This product has a maximum operating temperature of 400 F, a maximum exposure temperature of 500 F, and sets a new standard in power retention and design life for high temperature self-regulating cables. These materials enable us to retain 95% power after 10 years simulated life at maximum operating temperature with a projected design life of 30 years.
Two keywords that we need to consider from the customer's point of view is availability and reliability. Let me explain that. If we give them a certain system solution and set of products, they just need to, when they switch it on, it needs to be available. It needs to work. It needs to do what it needs to do, right? Reliability is now I've switched it on and I as a user decide when to switch it off. So until that moment comes, it just needs to work reliably, flawlessly.
The increasing sophistication of our customers' applications make this a very timely and high-value breakthrough that will benefit our customers and the industries that we serve tremendously.